Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of PTC Ads Watching website. So basically this is a PTC Lab latest version script, and if you want to buy this script from us, you can easily contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description, and buy this script from us and we will provide you a complete support from installation to if you face any issue, we will give you support with script. So if you need complete website with domain name, hosting, anything, and we also built the complete website. So in this video I will give you a demo of its home page, complete website, its user panel and its admin panel. And if you need any more details about the site, you can contact us for more details. And first of all, here you can see the look of amazing look of its home page, and you can completely change these details from admin panel. Here you can change everything that is on about page, that is on the home page, and here you can see the features of the website. Here you can see the different plans of PTC. Here you can see daily PTC limit. You can set these plans from admin panel, and you can see multiple plans right here. And here you can see the most popular plans as well. So these are all the plans, and here are some other about the website, client reviews. You can also add blogs to this website. You can change logo, you can change this content, you can change these links of social media from admin panel. So now let's go to our login page and let's log into our user panel, and let's see how its user panel will looks like. So I will enter my details right here, and here I have to enter my password, and after entering the password, fill the reCAPTCHA. So it is asking that just fill the bicycle right here, and just I will fill it. And when I click on next, so we have to fill the reCAPTCHA again, and so let's click on verify, and it's verified. Now when I click on sign in, it will redirect me to my user panel of this website. So here you can see the amazing look of its user panel right here, and it has very amazing look. So first of all, here you can see your total balance, total withdrawals, total plans, the plans you have subscribed, and here you can see your total clicks, total, and some other options, the next reminder of ads watching, and here you can see the graphs of your clicks report. And if you want to deposit money, just click on deposit now, and here you can select the gateway and easily deposit money using any of the auto gateway, or you can use a manual gateway for easy paisa. Any gateway you want to use, you can use it for manual deposits or auto deposits. And here you can see your deposit history. So currently I haven't deposit, so it's showing nothing. So here is a withdrawal. To withdraw your money from this website, you can use any of the gateway, auto gateway, or any other gateway you want. You can create these gateways from admin panel. So here you can see your total PTC ads. So currently here you can see that all the PTC ads were here. So here you can view the ads and earn money over them. And here, so here you can see my ads, clicks, you can see everything right here. So here is a referral option. You can see your referral commission, your total referred user. You can also use it as multi-level marketing website where you can give a commission to up to different levels. So here is a transaction. You can view all your transactions. Here you can transfer your balance from one account to another on the same website. Here is a help and support option where you can create tickets to admin, and logout option. So this is the user panel of this website. Now we will go to its admin panel, and I will show you how we can completely control this website from admin panel. One thing more, if you want to subscribe to any plan, just click on new plan, and here you can subscribe to any plan you want. Just click on get started and the plan will be subscribed. So this is how you can subscribe a plan. So now let's go to admin panel and let's see how we can control this website from admin. So this is the admin login page. Here you can see that I've already entered the details. Now when I click on login, it will redirect me to my admin dashboard. So let's click on login, and here you can see that we have successfully reached to our admin dashboard. You can see your total users, total active user, banned user, email unverified, total deposit, referral commission, graphs related to investments of PTC right here. Here you can see all the notifications, and when we go to referral commission, here you can set different levels of commission. As many as several levels of commission you want to set up, you can do it from here. So let's go to subscription plan. From here you can create a plan. To create plan, just click on add new, and by filling these details you can add a new plan on the website up to as many as levels you want. So here you can disable the existing plans or edit the existing plans from here. So from PTC ads, here you can insert the ads from here. Just click on add new, and by filling these details of ad you can insert a new ad from here. So here you can see the active, inactive, pending, rejected ads of users also, and here you can see all the PTC reports. Here from manage user you can manage all the users, active users, banned users from here. So let's go to payment gateways, and let me show you automatic payment gateways. So these are all the automatic payment gateways. You can see all of them, and you can edit them and insert your own details, and you can use them or you can disable them if you want. So if you want to create any manual gateway such as EasyPaisa, JazzCash, or any local payment gateway of India, Nigeria, any country, just click on add new, and you can add a local gateway from here. So from deposits, you can approve or reject the deposit requests of user from here. Here is the withdrawal section. You can approve or reject the withdrawal requests of user. From support ticket, you can manage the support tickets of user. So these are all the tickets, and here you can view all the report of site, login, PTC view, notification, referral commission report from here. So when we go to general setting, here you can see you can change the site title, you can change the time zone, you can change the website currency, symbol, anything you want to change, you can do it from here. So from system configuration, you can turn on off different settings of the website, such as user registration, email settings, email notification. You can turn them on off from here. From social credential, you can manage the social credentials of websites such as Instagram, Facebook links, etc. And logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website. And from here you can change the logo, and you can insert your own logo. From language, you can insert your any local language if you want. From SEO manager, you can manage SEO, KYC settings, ad setting. So this is the ad setting. You can set up the user ad setting from here. And here from notification, you can manage the email, SMS, and notification templates, etc. And so these are the templates. So let's go to templates. So here you will get 3 different templates of the website. So you can see we are using this PTC Prime template. You can use PTC Diamond or basic template of PTC Lab from here. So this is the latest version, completely working, and if you want to buy, you can easily buy from us. From manage section, you can edit any section if you want. For example, I want to edit the about section of this website. Just click on it. You can change the image, you can change the section title, heading, anything you want to change about the website, you can do it from here. So similarly, you can change the banner, blogs, brands, contact page, counter page, FAQ. So if you want to edit any section on the website, testimonial, social icons, from here you can edit it from here. So viewers, if you want to buy the script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. If you need more information about the website, you can also contact us. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.